Hey, we get it. People think it's easy to think up a new product, to create something from nothing, to figure out every detail and then ship it to thousands or even millions of people. But the truth is, it's not. It isn't straightforward, and that's where Fusion 360 comes in. Our tools enable you to move faster, ship better products, and change the world by giving you a single solution to design, validate, and manufacture, and share your vision with the world. Our advanced product design tools enable an automated approach to creating complex solutions. Fusion 360 includes intelligent feature settings and guidance to improve product performance and prepare your design for manufacturing. Focus on the function and aesthetics of your product as you apply specialized tools that increase modeling efficiency and editing capabilities. Our product design tools are more than just surfacing tools or automation tools. It's a network of functionality that the rest of the world relies on specialists and contractors to supply. Define plastic features at the model level or at the assembly level for an optimal approach to maintaining the fit, the performance, and the aesthetic of your design. Choose from a list of materials that drive the fundamental parameters of your plastic part design, enabling you to focus more time on the concept phase. The success of a product isn't just about looks or how fast you get to market. It's about durability. But you know this better than anyone. Analyze the performance of your 3D designs to ensure they will meet the demands of real-world conditions with structural, thermal, and explicit simulation tools. Use a set of simulation study types to help you investigate if your 3D designs can be manufactured or how it may perform under real-life conditions before manufacturing anything. Our simulation tools also include injection molding simulation studies to help you gain plastic injection molding manufacturing insights for your 3D design. In the end, taking an idea from thought to a product is complicated, but you can do it seamlessly with Fusion 360.